Hi friends! Today we're going to do something a little bit different with our math. I'm going to be talking to you a little bit about place value, and we're going to recap what we already know. We're going to review what we already know, and we're going to move into the thousands place. So let's start with our ones place. We know that when we have one Unifix cube, when we count it, it goes in the ones place. We also know that when we have a chain of 10 of them, we've seen our sticks of 10 before, we know that that one goes from the ones place to the tens place, because we have one group of 10. Now, we've used Unifix cubes. We've used popsicle sticks. We've even used lots of groups of popsicle sticks. If I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 groups of 10, I know that I can put a 5 in the tens place, and since I have 0 ones, it stays at 0. Well, now we're going to use a different way of showing what we have. We're going to put our counter back at zeros. And we're going to use these flat sticks. They're kind of like the Unifix cubes. We know that there are 10 in each stick. Let's count them just to make sure. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. So each of our sticks has 10. You put them together, these two, and we know we have 2 groups in our tens. We know that 2 groups of tens is 20. But what happens when suddenly we have 10 groups of 10? Let's count them by tens, because we're only looking at groups of tens. We have 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. Now they have made this a little bit easy for us because they've given us a red hundreds mat. This red hundreds mat has 100. This is our one group of 100. One group of 100. But now let's move past what we already know. Let's look at a bigger group. As we count, our groups of 100, we're going to keep track of it on our hundreds chart. So here we go. We have 100. We have a second group of 100. Oops. We have a third group of hundreds. Fourth group. Fifth group. Sixth group. Seventh group. Eighth group. Ninth group. So we have our 900. But how do we put our 10th group of 100 on our chart? Because we know that the digit in the ones place, the tens place, and the hundreds place can't be any bigger than 9. What do? We introduce another place. So we've now gone from hundreds to thousands. There we go. We have our 1,000 on our maps. 10 groups of 100 is 1,000. Now, you are going to take this knowledge and use it in the assignment that will be on the next slide. Good luck.